All right, man. Here go another slight video, man. Hey, see, you ain't got no socks on, Gucci slides. Anyway, I think it's about to start raining. It's sprinkling a little bit, but I'm already out here. I'm already recording. So, this actually sucks because I just washed this car earlier, so I'm just have to wipe it down real quick. Now, pretty much give you a breakthrough on what to expect on your first booking on Turo. Now, this is my first trip for Turo, but it's not my first booking. I put this car on here this morning. I already got booked for basically tomorrow. I put that car on there yesterday, and I got booked for 4 trips already. So 4 trips on that one so far, 1 trip on this one. Mind you, I just put both these cars on here yesterday. So first thing you want to do is make sure. First thing you want to do, you want to make sure you clean your car out. All right, so here I'll walk through real quick. See, the car is clean, outside is clean, inside is clean, and I'm gonna show y'all basically what I use on a car. See, the car is completely clean. So now, when you start doing this, you gotta, now some people run their car through the car wash, some people wash their car at home. As of now, I'm just gonna wash the car at home because I already got the power washer, and I went to Walmart and just bought some cheap cleaning supplies because you're gonna have to continuously wash the car in between bookings. So I just got some odor spray, some inside detailer to clean the inside out, you know, a little tire shine, Lysol to kill all the germs, and just some little scent spray, so get a car a good smell. Hose the car down, not super detailed because this is a rental car and you're gonna have to wash it a couple of times, so you don't want to put too much effort into it because you're gonna be washing the car anywhere from probably like 5 to 7 times depending on how your bookings is set up. This car is booked from Thursday to Sunday. That's the first booking on this car, and this one's booked up for like half the month. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the app first off. Okay, you see right here, got the first booking Thursday the 29th to August the 1st. I am doing delivery to the airport. When you set your bookings up, listings, you can add delivery fees for certain locations that's out of your range, or you can have people pick the cars up from your home location. Now, once you start this, you're gonna notice that a lot of people are gonna need cars for the airport, so make sure that the airport as a delivery location because you're gonna get a lot of bookings that way. Pretty much all the bookings I got for this car, all of them is at the airport, which is cool for me because it's really only like 20 minutes for me, and I charge like anywhere. Well, I just started at $35 delivery fee to the airport. That's a good deal because I have to meet them at short-term parking pretty much right before the booking, do the walkthrough with the car, because what you're gonna want to do is, let me show you right here because my phone just locked. All right, so like I said, got the booking coming up tomorrow at 12. What you're gonna want to do is do your cleaning checklist, which I did that, and you see everything they expect you to do throughout the checklist. You can pause the screen if you want to check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and check that because I did clean the car earlier this morning, so that's already done. So you see right there, thank you for keeping the community safe, because pretty much with the whole COVID pandemic thing, you want to make sure you're sanitizing the car to eliminate the risk of people getting COVID. All right, to pause the video. Luckily, it stopped sprinkling. Did a couple of drips on the car, no big deal. So pick up where I left off at. After you do the cleaning thing, you want to see pretty much this is going to pop up. Prepare for check-in, hit get started. Now, this is going to be pretty much document your car's condition to be eligible for protection package. Check the car's interior, exterior for scratches, dings, or dents. Be sure to check bumpers, wheels, and side mirrors. So, I'm not going to show y'all this. I'm just going to tell y'all pretty much what it's saying right here. It says, please take 10 to 15 photos to document the car condition, including interior and exterior walk around the car. Take photos of all sides, including close-ups. Now, I did a lot of research online and read a lot of stuff, watched a lot of videos. Now, it says 10 to 15 photos. You're going to want to take way more than that. So you're going to want to start from pretty much the back of the car. I would turn my camera sideways and take you're gonna want to take pretty much like 100 photos. You want to take at least like wheels, rims, tires, depth, a couple of photos of the back, the sides. You want to get close on certain areas. You want to do the roof as well, windows for like cracks and nicks and stuff like that. You get close up on all the bumper, the grill, the headlights, everything. You want to take as many photos as possible because anything can happen to your car, and the only way to get your claim through is pretty much to have much evidence that the car was not damaged until that person took it over. Now let's not say every renter will damage your car, but you need to make sure you got yourself protected just in case. So I'm gonna just bag out from there, come back to that later. Now if you see, this is the total earnings right here. Now, so you see the car actually made $257, but Turo takes its cut depending on what type of insurance plan you got. Now I did the 70-30, which is now the 75-25. Well, it's pretty much 70-30, but you get 75% earnings. You get an extra 5% earnings right now. And you see, because they booked it for 3 days or more, they got a discount, as well as my delivery fee right there. That helps out the help me earn more money. The car does come with 200 miles per day, so whatever they rent the car for, they get 200 miles per day. Obviously they go over 200 miles one day and go less, you know, as long as when they bring it back it's less than the total amount of miles that they're supposed to go stick to. So anything over the 600, they're going to be charged a fee per mile, and you're going to get whatever percentage that you got your insurance set up on. That's how much you're going to get of that mile price. So first trip, 4 days, that's pretty much $200. That's a good deal right there. Mind you, this is the lower end of the earning spectrum because I just got the car, so I pretty much undercutted everybody that had a charge on the platform right now because I just put this car on there. So I'm trying to get as many bookings as possible. Now obviously throughout the month or like weekend days, I'm going to rev up the price more, but just to get the car some bookings, because you're going to need that to get your car seen more and get reviews on the car. So I did take a little pay cut, which is that's cool because it's $200 for 4 days. Now next 4 days I may get $250 and on and so forth. And this car is pretty much going to live on the platform because this is not my car. I bought it specifically for Turo as well as that one. If you don't follow the channel, I do have a Hellcat Red Eye and I also got a Ford Fusion. My brother got that car right now. So but that's just giving y'all a quick breakdown of what to expect with your first booking on Turo. That's pretty much it. Make sure when you meet the person, you check the ID for the name. You ask them if they have any questions about the car. Have them point out anything that they notice about the car. So maybe you forgot about something, they point something out, and then it's already discussed before they bring the car back. And that's pretty much it, man. Definitely check out my other Turo videos. I already recorded like 2 or 3. Don't know what order I'm posting these in, but I do have a video on acquiring your first Turo car, how to acquire your second Turo car, and what to expect. Obviously this is what to expect on your first booking, as well as when I get the car back, and a whole line of Turo videos on the way. So stay tuned for that, and that's pretty much it. I'm out.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick, fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.